Ed Lehman Upfit here with a special video. We are selling our Jeep Gladiator because we're building a new one next door in the shop. This is a 23 Rubicon Gladiator with only 15,000 miles. And I did some quick adding up. In retail, there's $48,000 worth of parts on this Jeep, let alone it's a $65,000 Jeep new. It's got leather, all that. We'll get to it. But let's start in the front real quick. It's got a Metalcloak bumper, Baja design lights, worn winch, the 24 newer paint to match Rubicon style grille, Oracle headlights, 37-inch Mickey Thompson Baja Boss ATs on Icon bead grip wheels. All of these bolts, they're not for looks. They've got O-rings on them. They all go through and hold on your bead when you air down. I've had these in the single digits, no problem. Suspension, Metalcloak, 3.5-inch game changer with the Rocklander rear springs to hold up all that extra weight. With the adjustable remote reservoir, Rocksport black shocks. And this front axle is a Dana Ultimate 44 E-locker, so it doesn't have a fad, and it's got real thick tubes, thick bracketry, 488 gears. The rear's also been re-geared to 488 with the Dana Ultimate 44 nodular covers, front and rear. Metalcloak skid plates, front to back, that's all the skids under there. With the Adams front drive shaft. Snorkel, functional. Aux beam, A-pillar lights. Aux beam switch panel on the interior. So like I said, leather, heated seats, heated steering wheel. Armor light, flooring. The only thing in here that you see on the whole Jeep that you don't get is my radio. I'm pulling out my CB radio, but I'm leaving the Epic chromoly panel up here with Baja Designs lights in it. I'm just keeping my antenna and my radio. In the back here, it's fancy. We've got the SHW, the nicest rear seat delete kit that money can buy. Super nice. So it's got drawers, storage, back panel, all the stuff. It's next to new. It's only been used a couple of times. It's a super nice piece. Out back, we have a matching spare tire and wheel with tire pressure sensors, so you can rotate it in if you want. The Jeep's got 15K on it. Tires have less than 5. I've tried tires out all the time. These ones have less than 5. You've got your Metalcloak sway bar tab reinforcement back here. Metalcloak rear bumper with their heavy duty $500 skids for that bumper. Oracle tail lights. RSI Smart Cap with all of the fancy trick hoo-ha. It's got the kitchen on this side. That is a $2,500 kitchen. 24 something, but let's do a $2,500 kitchen. It's got a 2-burner stove here that flips out. I took it out because it's tall for me, but it is, it'll go with it. I'll install it back in here. It's got all your trick fancy stuff. Way fancy. For you fancy overlanders, you've got real glass wine glasses. So you've got everything here. You've got a bin on the other side that doesn't have anything in it. It's an empty bin for food storage. We've got LED bed lights. I didn't even calculate those into my $48,000 worth of parts. Decked drawer slide. It is a 100%. So it comes all the way out. If I had more room in the shop, I could get it all the rest of the way out. It comes all the way out. 1,000 pound load rating on here. So that's pretty sweet. Mopar trail rail. I just remembered that earlier, and that's not calculated into my dollar amount. The trail rail that's added on here. Mopar bed plug kit. So you can have 110 power in the bed. That was a factory option that this truck didn't get. Super sweet. It has that. Oh yeah, don't forget, we also have a table up here. This is the RSI Smart Cap table. Folds up in here. Pretty awesome. It sets up. It got legs on it. Super cool table. High dollar option. It's got all that fancy stuff. And then you got your rail system up top for a rooftop tent that it comes with. I'll show you some pictures of that right here when we went camping. It is a Overland Vehicle Systems Mamba 3 tent. It lifts up like this, hardshell tent, with a 270 awning that goes on here. I just have to take it off to fit it in this door. So here it is, 15,000 miles. I've got a friend at a local dealer. He can finance it. If somebody wants it financed, he can write it up through there, get it done. And if you don't want the cap, I'll take off some money. But I want 75 grand for it. You couldn't build it for anything close to that, not even in the ballpark. So 75,000 bucks the way it sits. If you want it without a cap or without the deck slide, that's about the only things I'll pull off right now. I don't plan on turning it back to stock. It's turnkey, ready to roll. 75 grand. And we also have a shipping company. If you need it shipped across the country, you let us know. I can get it on a truck and get it shipped to you. So any questions, just ask. Numbers going to be on there. Let me know. That was it. Have a good one.